Micro enterprises with employees 10 below can apply for an exemption for the wage order. Presidential advisor for entrepreneurship and Go Negosyo founder Joey Concepcion said micro businesses were heavily affected by the pandemic. He explains most of them are still in the recovery phase and the wage increase might cause a few challenges.
Those that are distressed under restructuring, they should also be exempted because they're barely surviving. If they end up closing, that's worse. Everybody gets laid off. No?
The National Wages and Productivity Board explains there are small businesses such as the barangay micro business enterprises are automatically exempted from the wage order. For micro enterprises in retail and services, the NWPC said they can apply for an exemption. They only need to submit the required documents proving that they have no capacity to increase the wages for their employees.
Ito nga ho ay by application, so hindi automatic yung exemption na ibibigay doon sa mga mag-a-apply. On the basis of the documents that they will submit, iaaralin ho ito ng mga regional boards. Pagkatapos, they will make a decision whether to grant the exemption or not to grant the exemption depending on the appreciation of the board relative to the documents submitted to the board.
Even though the government approved the wage increase in the National Capital Region and Western Visayas, some workers lament this is not enough compared to how much they spend for their daily expenses. Others, however, are still grateful for the wage increase.
Mahal ngayon ang bilihin eh. Sa pamasahe din, ganun din. Tapos kikita lang kami hanggang ngayon. Dapat, dagdagan nila, dapat maging regular na lang dapat 750 or 850 isang araw.
Maliit, pero wala na tayong magagawa kasi yun lang ang ano nila eh.
Sa akin na tingin ko, kukulangin pa rin dito.
Meanwhile, the Trade Union Congress of the Philippines called on the amendment of the Wage Rationalization Act of 1989. The group complained the process for filing a petition up to the release of a wage order is too long.
At kami ho ay we subscribe to the wisdom of the Congress and the Senate if they find it necessary to revise the existing wage determination structure.
The NWPC, meanwhile, says the agency is open to coordinate with Congress in case the Wage Rationalization Act will be reviewed. Eileen Cerudo, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.